Assalamualaikum. My name is Wan Muhammad Afiq bin Zairee and my matrix number is 08DBK21F1024. And I want to share to you guys about the process of replacing phone battery. Let's go. Firstly, the back cover of the phone is open. Make sure to turn off the phone before opening the back cover. Secondly, the screws holding the inner cover is unscrewed. Remember to place the screws in a container to not lose them. Thirdly, the inner cover of the phone is unclipped. After that, ribbon plug of the old battery from the phone is unplugged. Avoid pulling too hard on the ribbon plug because it is a sensitive part. Next, the old battery is removed carefully. Then, the new battery is placed in. Following that, the ribbon plug is connected. Afterwards, all the components are reassembled. Finally, the back cover of the phone is closed.
To conclude, the process of replacing phone battery is not as hard as it's told to be. Everyone can try fixing their phones with enough dedication and good source of information. I surely hope my video can help some of you to try repairing your phone's battery if it's broken. Thank you. That's all from me.